walk with me to the woods. Fresh snow under my foot. Look at that path. I love this place. The snow is getting deep, very deep. Let me turn this around so you can see. Oh, it's getting deep here. I'm from my house. It's beautiful, and I came out here just to capture some of its magic. Now the snow is let up. Its fur is so good. Let's sit and sing, shall we? In the trees. Sit and pray. It's all just one and the same these days. Wayanti, Karyanti, Jagadutu Pati, Arigatu Waha, Brahmare Tresha Guru, Ita Waheguru. Let's inspire that intuition. 'Tis the season of winter, where things get quiet and we lean in and listen to ourselves. So the Wayanti mantra is a good one that resonates for this time. Let's do it together. Wayanti, Garyanti, Jagadutu Pati, Aragatu Waha, Brahmade Tresha Guru, Itawa He Guru, Itawa He Guru, the Guru, that which brings us from darkness to light. Light. Wayanti, Garyanti, Jagadutu Pati, Aragatu Waha, Brahmade Tresha Guru, Itawa He Guru, Itawa He Guru. Wayanti, Garyanti, Jagadutu Pati, Aragatu Waha, Brahmade Tresha Guru, Itawa He Guru, Itawa He Guru. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namo Namah, Namo Namaha. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. We opened all the ceremony in our life. We opened to the ceremony in this moment. The magic. Of sitting in the middle of this grove. Let's do it again. Oh, let's just sing for a while out here. Vayanti, Garyanti, Jagarutu Pati, Argatu Aha, Brahmare Tresha, Guru, Itawahe, Guru, Itawahe, Guru. Namo Namah, Namo Namaha. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Swaha. You know, if we're really going to open up a sing in circle here, let's open it up with a Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo is how we open, how I open. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. 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 Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. 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 Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Guru, that which brings us from darkness into the light. Thank you, Spirit. A magnificent journey. Magnificent moment. Vayanti, Garyanti, Jagadutu Pati, Argatu Waha, Brahmare Tresha, Guru, Itawa, Hey, Guru. We can whisper the mantras. We can say them silently. We can sing them to the top of our lungs. But they do give us more language that is in a high frequency to express ourselves. And that is fun. These mantras become a fabric of your, of your life in that they're the sounds in your heads and the sounds that you're singing and the sounds that you're whispering and the sounds you're calling upon sometimes to center you. Let's just sit here and breathe.